Hey guys, my name is Stejan. I'm 23 years old and I'm a social host here at Lapoint camp Fuerteventura.
Hello guys, my name is Katrine and I'm 22 years old and I am also a social host here on the Lapoint camp in Fuerteventura. So now we want to give you a house tour here of our house. Let's go! So now we're in the first house we have here in Fuerteventura, and first here you see our couch area. We have our dining area here, and it's also where we serve our breakfast.
So here we also have a dining area outside. We have some sunbeds to chill out by the pool, and down here, let's come, we have our super nice yoga studio down by the pool.
So here we have our amazing yoga studio where our yoga takes place, and also if you want a massage, it's also down here. A really cool thing is also you can see directly into the pool down from the yoga studio. And now we're gonna show you one of the rooms. So here is one of our private rooms, which is perfect for a couple traveling together, best friends, or if you're just a solo traveler who will love some privacy.
So the superior room is our biggest dorm room. We have, it's perfect for solo travelers. We have like 6 beds. Also we have an outdoor shower that's super nice.
So here in the other house we have the lovely pool area here. We also have our dining area where we're eating lunch and dinner, and all the way in the back you can see the skate park.
So here in our beautiful kitchen we have our blackboard with the whole schedule for the whole week, our serve times, skate times and all the activities. And also here we serve our lunch and dinners.
So right now we have prepared the lunch for our guests and they're coming very soon back from their surfing. It's also the same concept with the dinner, that we prepare the food here and then people they can sit wherever and enjoy the dinner. So something very special about our camp here is we have this surf skate park right behind us, and both we have lessons here, but we also have people from outside coming and using the park. We also have our skate shop where you can buy everything from skateboards, surf and skate accessories, and also handmade items here from the island.
So this is our surf shed. Here's where we store our surfboards. Also our vans are all parked here. Here's where we meet before the surf lessons. You grab your board, you grab your wetsuit, and from here we go to the beach.
So that was it guys, this was our house tour here from our camp in Fuerteventura. We really hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, hope to see you soon here at the camp. Yoo-hoo!